We'll guide you through how to set keybinds for Voicemod. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many users of Voicemod want to use keybinds for faster control, but are unsure how to set them up. Beginners especially need clear guidance. It helps them improve efficiency, switch effects quickly, and enhance their experience while gaming, streaming, or communicating online. First, open Voicemod on your desktop and wait until it fully loads. Once everything is ready, locate the gear icon, which represents the settings menu, usually found on the interface. Then press on it to open the settings panel. After entering the settings, look at the top of the menu and find the keybinds section. Click on it to access the keybinding options. From here, you will see a bunch of options that you can change by assigning new keybinds or adding new ones. Before making any changes, make sure you have your connection properly set up, including your microphone and audio output, so the keybinds will work correctly. Next, select one of the available options that you want to customize. After selecting it, drag your mouse to the Add Keybind button and press on it. Then click on the key you want to set as the shortcut on your keyboard. Once you press the desired key, it will be assigned to that specific function. After that, try it on by pressing the key to see if it activates the feature correctly. If it works as expected, you can continue customizing more options. Then choose one of the other options again from the list. Repeat the same steps by clicking Add Keybind, selecting a key, and testing it. Continue this process for as many functions as you want to configure. After setting multiple keybinds, take some time to test each one carefully. Press the assigned keys and observe if the correct effects or features are triggered. If any keybind does not work properly, go back and adjust it until it functions correctly. Make sure your selections do not overlap with other important shortcuts on your system. Finally, after everything is set, try all the buttons again to ensure they are working smoothly and consistently. This process helps you create quick shortcuts for controlling features efficiently while using the software.